Escalators are everywhere in Hong Kong. Train stations, shopping malls, office buildings. In most cities, they are a necessity. Did you know that escalator accidents cause 18 times more injuries than elevators? Many people do not realize that escalator accidents happen when foreign objects jam in the comb plate. The escalator stops immediately, causing damage to the escalator and human falls. In 2020, there were 60 cases of passenger injuries in Hong Kong due to this reason. When a tiny object such as a screw gets jammed in the comb plate, the screw will grind against the comb plate. It eventually will lead to the damaging of the aluminum step. The cost to repair such damages can go up to 10 million Hong Kong dollars a year. This is why we developed an AI object detection system to detect tiny metal objects that affect running escalators. First, the machine is installed in the truss, machine room, or under the escalator pit. Then, cameras are installed behind the two comb lights, so it is discreet. The system detects when screws, rings, buttons, or coins appear at the comb plate of the escalator. Once detected, the operation team will be alerted immediately, and they can act accordingly. The dangerous object is quickly removed before it jams the escalator. The system consists of high-resolution cameras, a high-performance edge computing device, and a highly accurate deep learning model. The deep learning model has an accuracy of up to 98%. It is compatible with existing escalators, and the system is fully integrated whereby alert messages are sent to your preferred devices, mobile phones, tablets, or laptops. Let us help you reduce accident risks, minimize maintenance costs, and improve user experience.